Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Halal and Delicious. Today we'll be making lamb stew. For our ingredients, we have 2-pound lamb cut medium-sized cubes. Vegetables, we have tomato, mushroom, onion, potato, parsley, garlic, carrot. Spices, we have ginger, cinnamon powder, nutmeg, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, salt, paprika, bay leaf, saffron, and cinnamon stick. We'll be using our pot pottery, but if you don't have one, you could use a regular pot. We're going to saute the lamb with clarified butter for 5 minutes in all sides. After we sear the lamb on all sides, we're going to be putting it in the pot with mixed vegetable and spices for 500 Fahrenheit for 1 hour. Mix vegetables and the spices. Now it's done. For watching. I hope you liked the recipe of lamb stew, and if you like this recipe, please subscribe and hit the like.